Congressman Fernandez, you're recognized.
Okay, ano lang, briefly, in the interest of time again, medyo mahaba pa po tayo. POGO tayo talaga ngayon today. So, Mayor, Jed, kasi naalala ko, I was also a mayor during that time.
Yes, Your Honor.
That the former president pronounced those mayors who were included in that list.
Yes, Your Honor.
And I was a little bit scared as well kasi andun tayo sa Malacanang. And I remember the name Mayor, I was asking the good chairman Akop, the name of Mayor ng Cebu was Mayor Loot.
Yes, Your Honor.
And were your name mentioned in that meeting in the Malacanang during that time?
No, Honor, Your Honor.
Wala ka po. Pero do you remember the time that you were called in ano po sa PNP wherein there were a lot of mayors as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kasi I saw you in the video during that time.
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you recall those names of those mayors?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Like sila Mayor Cesar Perez ng Los Baños, Laguna.
I cannot, I'm sorry, Your Honor, but hindi ko po masyado, I cannot remember the
Pero
names,
medyo
Your Honor.
marami kayo na.
There were a lot of mayors, Your Honor.
Most likely mga ilang
Lahat,
po.
Your Honors, ipinatawag at saka pumunta doon because
Okay.
that was the order, Your Honor, that the following day we have to report to Camp Crame, and then we were subject to investigation by a case officer, Your Honor.
Oo, Pidea, tanungin ko lang Pidea, briefly lang ano kasi gusto ko lang maliwanagan to kasi dating mayor to ng Los Baños, Laguna, si Cesar Perez. Was he included in the first list of that drug list that was released?
If you can give me 3 minutes, Your Honor, we can
Sige, I'll
check it
come back
immediately.
with you. No?
Yes, Your
Just please educate me on that matter. Mayor, you were saying a while ago that the reason why you being included in that list of the narco was because of politics.
Yes, I believe, Your Honor.
But me also, I was a Marojas sympathizer. I voted for Marojas. But I was not included in the narco list.
Probably, Your Honor, I would say that because the then Senator Frank Dillon is my second cousin. And number two is the former president got the lowest percentage votes all over the country in Iloilo. So I really couldn't prove this, Your Honor, but I just think that that is the reason, Your Honor.
In other words, you cannot think of any other reason to justify why you were included in that narco list.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Meron pa ako isang tanong lastly, no? Yung pong tinatawag po nating moment that a certain a general called you, no?
Yes, Your Honor.
10 minutes lang po yun di ba? Na magkasama.
About 10-15, yes, Your Honor.
Are you with somebody when they called you in Japan?
I was by myself, Your Honor,
You-
because I was on my way to the international conference.
Oh, and you believe also that General Bato, who called you 10 minutes before, he was with that certain general when he called you?
Yes, I would think so, Your Honor.
Dahil ganun kabilis yung,
Yes, Your Honor.
yung information that was given to you. Anyway, siguro kay ano na lang, ano, Pedea, can you kindly give us the list kung kasama yung ano? Kasama ba?
Mr. Chairman, yes, the name is listed. Right from the very start of the Duterte administration, he was already listed as a high-value target.
And also, yung kay Mayor Tony Halili. And also the Mayor of Navarro of Zamboanga. These are the things that we need to clarify. Siguro ganito na lang, bigyan na lang lahat ng listahan kung kasama sila sa first list or pag hindi sila kasama, yung second list.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, with that, Mr. Chairman, I'll be yielding back my time and I'll be asking na lang po in the next issue. Thank you so much.
Thank you because you have already consumed your time, Congressman Fernandez.